Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be cleaning a laptop. The one in question is the Lenovo Legion. This one is my girlfriend's laptop, and I don't think it's been cleaned in 5 or 6 years, I think. So we're going to open it up, inspect the dust buildup, clean it all up so we can get it back to running as cool as it should be. Okay, let's do this. For today's laptop cleaning, I'm going to be using my iFixit toolkit, specifically designed for laptops, PCs, phones and tablets. It has everything you need for the tiny screws. It's got magnetic tips so you don't lose the screws. And the lid is great to use as a tray to keep all your screws separated, and so you can put them back where they should be, which I like to do, my OCD. And also for sucking up the dust, I have anti-static PC vacuum and duster. For both of these, I will leave a link down in the description. Well, there we have it. One laptop with its fans totally cleaned. And now, as you can hear, or as you can't hear, it's running totally silent. Job well done. I'll see you again in the next one.